Sales process, yeah. When it comes to technology, one of the things we did in the past was that we followed a certain process when we used our different, when we're selling different products. So the sales process we typically had began something like this. 7 steps. The first one was always to do the research before you actually visit the company. And so there's things that you can look up online, maybe on their websites, and you can go into more detail. Before you walk into a company, what you want to do is have a great understanding or a better understanding of what their business offers, what they're doing, what their goals are, so forth and so on. So that was the first step. The first step was research. The second one was to set up an introductory meeting with the key people. And in that introductory meeting, what we wanted to do was, again, demonstrate our understanding and then begin to ask key questions. The third phase of that was actually to do the presentation. Once we had a good understanding of what they were trying to do in their market, in their space, we then put together a presentation, and hopefully we got the right people in the actual presentation so they can hear what we wanted to say. The fourth step was, if the presentation went well, then we just went straight to the demo. The demo was where we actually set up a live demo to actually show them what the product can do. Again, the more you can go live, the better, obviously. The next step was to actually do a product evaluation. That is to get the product in their hands so they can start testing it. And then last but not least, or second to last, was actually get the actual approval process. Okay, so that was step number 6, the approval process. And then the final step, which really isn't a step, but it kind of is that you want to get the first order, right? And once you get the first order, you want to make sure that everything goes smooth with that first order. So what is a high-tech sales process that I think is successful? Step 1, do the research. Step 2, have an introductory meeting. Step 3, do a presentation. Once you do the presentation, step 4 would be to do the demo. And then if, again, the demo goes well, then what you want to do is move towards the product evaluation phase. And after the product evaluation phase, the objective there is to get the product approved. And last but not least is once the product's approved, once it's in the system, what you want to do is get that first order. That, to me, is a great sales process for a B2B technology company. Absolutely.